Hi, we're here at 1120 Southeast 9th Street in the neighborhood of Rio Vista, Fort Lauderdale. We are just south of the city center by about a mile, and that would include Las Olas Boulevard. You can see that the neighborhood is upscale and very well maintained. We're about to see a 2,500 square foot on 11,000 square feet of property, corner lot. This is a single family home that's been very well maintained, and the landscaping is impeccable. The driveway is clad in a Chattahoochee with brick accents and is a long sweeping curved driveway with an additional pull out here, as well as a two-car garage at the end. There's the other end of the curved drive. The property is very well shaded as well. As we approach the front, you'll see that the front porch is done in a brick style tile, and you've got a beautiful double door which is classic and leads to the classic interior. On the floor you've got a large format 24 by 24 slate gray marbleized tile. Directly in front of you is a bar, and you can see directly across the house to the pool. As we stand here, you'll notice that you have vaulted ceilings with knotty pine as a finish, as well as additional block glass lighting at the top up there, which brings a little more light into the property, into the house. Formal living is here to our left. We'll see that on the way back through. Dining is directly here on the right. As we go to the right here, we're going to go through the kitchen, and you'll notice that we do have a double swing door that I opened a little too roughly. The floor in here is done in a blonde oak, and you've got knotty pine accents on the walls, as well as brick backsplash and a brick accent wall at the end. The ceilings in this part of the house are approximately 12 feet due to the pitch up there. From the kitchen, you look out onto a cute outdoor breakfast patio. The patio flooring is done in a Chicago brick, and you've got beautiful morning light out here. There's a little walkway there that leads to the pool. Coming back in, you'll notice that the pool deck actually starts here, and it is a hexagonal Spanish style tile. The laundry room is there on the right. There is a cabana bath, so nobody has to traipse through the house, and it is a full bath, so you have to traipse through the house when you're coming back and forth from the pool. Coming out into the pool area, you'll see that it's completely screened, and you've got a large area for seating and entertainment, as well as a complete outdoor kitchen, including knotty pine cabinets to carry through. You have 3 gentle stairs that lead down into the pool, as well as an accent 3 waterfall at the end of the pool. Coming in through the double slider, we are into the family room. Master bedroom is straight ahead that way. We are going to go see bathroom number 2 and bedroom number 2 first. Both of the bedrooms are done in an oak pergo. Bedroom number 1 is quite spacious. I'd say it's about 12 by 15. And you've got a cedar-lined standard closet in this room. Coming back around to the left, we have a linen closet in front of us, and then we have bathroom number 1, which has a large glass enclosed corner mounted tub as well as a single vanity. Coming across into the master bedroom, you'll see that we have a very large, it's about 10 by 10 walk-in closet, also completely cedar lined, and it goes up to the 12-foot mark. Master bedroom is also quite spacious. The furniture in here is fairly large. I'd say this room is probably about 12 by 15, maybe 12 by 17. The master bath is here, and it comes with a single vanity as well as a large walk-in shower. And these mirrored doors open out into the study. So we're back at the front of the house and into the formal living area. Again, we're at 1120 Southeast 9th Street in the neighborhood of Rio Vista, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thank you for watching.